Good morning. Welcome to BioWorld. Today in this lecture we will discuss the next class of algae, that is Phaeophyceae. As in previous lecture we have discussed about Chlorophyceae, which is known as the green algae. Then Rhodophyceae we'll discuss later, that is red algae. And third one, that is Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae, which is commonly known as a brown algae, found in marine habitat. Most important, that Phaeophyceae, which is found in marine habitats, they show great variation in their size and form. They are simple branched filamentous form. Simple है and branch है, and obviously filamentous form fibers like. Just example is Ectocarpus. So simple branched filamentous form Ectocarpus, and even they may be branch form, but they may be large, which are known as the kelps. That kelps which may reach a height of 100 meter, मतलब कि इतनी साइज इतनी बड़ी होती है कि वो 100 मीटर की भी हाइट गेन कर सकते हैं. Pigments present mostly, remember here chlorophyll A and B. As we know, in Chlorophyceae there is chlorophyll A and B. Here remember chlorophyll A and C. Then carotenoids, and even xanthophyll and fucoxanthins are also present. Now, based on the amount of xanthophyll and fucoxanthin, that color of algae varies from olive green to various shade of brown. मतलब कि xanthophyll and fucoxanthin कितने अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है, उसके बेस पे एल्गी ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर या फिर ब्राउन डिफरेंट शेड भी हो सकते हैं. Remember that food is stored in the form of, this is most important, laminarin or mannitol. This is most important बेटा, नीट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये सबसे important है. In Phaeophyceae, that storage of food occurs in which form? Then remember laminarin or mannitol. Next, let's talk about cell wall. So cell wall have a cellulose. Actually it is plant, so its cell wall is made up of cellulose and covered outside by a gelatinous coating of algin. Alginic acid का पूरा बाहर ऐसे coating होता है. So cell wall which is made up of cellulose and gelatinous coating. That protoplast, it contains plastid. Then centrally located vacuole, center में vacuoles है, and obviously also possess nucleus. Now this is most important. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum. Substratum means बेटा जो soil level होता है, layer होता है, that is substratum. Here that root are not present, but a root-like structure which holds the plant, that is known as a holdfast. तो ये नीचे है वो है holdfast. आप देख सकते हो जो soil में जाता है. Then have a stalk which is known as a stipe, and leaf it not present, but leaf-like photosynthetic organ which is known as a frond. This is frond. This is root-like holdfast, stipe and leaf-like organ which carry out photosynthesis. This is frond. Now let's talk about reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation. You know, fragment, that part separated and now it converted into new plant. Then asexual reproduction by biflagellated zoospores. देखो zoospores फॉर्म होते हैं बट दे आर biflagellated, मतलब कि टू फ्लैजेला है. That zoospores are of pear shape, उनका शेप पेयर जैसा होता है. And most important thing to remember, it possesses two unequal flagella. You can see here there are two flagella which is lateral arranged. देखो, as we have seen in Chlamydomonas, that flagella are apically arranged. यहाँ पे laterally arranged है. Both are unequal. This first one you can see, this is look like whiplash, and second is like tinsel type, right, which is having blisters. So asexual reproduction by biflagellated laterally arranged flagella. Now let's talk about sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction may be isogamous, as we know that gametes are of similar size, then they are isogamous. And isogamous, that means that gametes are of dissimilar size. And oogamous, one is motile, that is male, and one other is non-motile, that is female. So union of these gametes may take place in water and within oogonium. So जहाँ पे जो एक सेल फॉर्म होता है वो ओगोनियम में होता है, and whatever the gametes may move with the help of water. This is most important. Male gametes move with water. So union of gametes occurs in water. Okay. Now again the gametes are pyriform. We know that pear shape and possess two laterally attached flagella. I have discussed earlier, laterally attached flagella, lateral side पे flagella attach होते हैं. Now example are ectocarps, then Dictyota, then laminaria which is known as the devil's apron, and from laminaria we obtain iodine, then sargassum which is known as the gulfweed, and fucus, right? Okay, so let's see some example. So this is Phaeophyces example first. This is laminaria, this is fucus, and this is Dictyota. Okay, in laminaria you can see this is hold fast, this is type, and this is front. This is fucus, this is main, midrib, and here it is having air bladder which stores air and helps in floating. And this is Dictyota. Okay, so this is about Phaeophyce.